I'm Jo Thomas. I was previously in Ysgol Calon Cymru and I'm in Newtown College now doing a health and social care course.
My name is Abby. I was previously at Welshpool High School. I'm now at Newtown College studying Level 3 Health and Social.
Hi, I'm Joshua Owen. I came from Newtown High School and now I'm here on the Performing Arts course in Newtown College.
College is very different from school as we get more freedom and the tutors treat us more like adults in the classroom and outside.
The support from lecturers is very helpful because they're always online, and when you email them they get back to you very quickly. You can ask them any question and they're willing to answer you.
What I enjoy most about college is mixing with all the different kinds of people here and working with them and see how we can put pieces together and successfully.
When we came back to college in September, we were told we had to do online learning on Teams, and it's very different to our last year. However, the tutors have helped us throughout the process and have taught us the way of learning online. We are in college 1 day a week and it is very different. However, online is still as much fun and they teach us a good amount of information to get our course completed.
The measures against COVID in the college are very safe because there's a one-way system and there's hand sanitizer in every room and dotted around the college. It's good that if you fall ill or have to social isolate, you can also follow online and get all the work that way.
We've had to change the way we do things around here. We've had lessons in college as well as at home. At home we've had to create dances that run in the theme of lockdown and how it's made us feel.
I attended an open evening for my first year. There were a lot of ex-students that showed us around the different rooms and let us look through different pieces of work that they had done, which influenced me to come to the college and definitely made me more welcome.
I attended the open evening last year here at Newtown College. The tutors are really nice and friendly. I got an overview of what the course entails.
I was going to stay on at school, but then I didn't really like the idea of doing science and everything at school, so I decided to come to college. And I think it's very helpful here because the tutors are nice and the people are friendly on the course and everything.
I definitely recommend coming to Health and Social Care course as we do a lot of group tasks, we get to know different people from other schools and we learn a lot of new things that we didn't think we'd learn somewhere else.
I'd recommend this college because people are friendly here and the tutors help you get the best out of you can and try to push you to do your hardest.
On this course I train in dance and acting and singing, so when I leave I can decide what area I'd like to specialise in.
My future plan for after college is to go to university and do a nursing course, as the college has inspired me to go on and do this course, and I'm looking forward to helping other people in the future.
My future plans are to go to uni and study midwifery and then hopefully qualify as that and be a midwife.
I would recommend this college. I've enjoyed meeting all sorts of different types of people and working with them.